this is what I remember.
Yeah, me too. I don't remember that because it wasn't here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's cool. They have exhibits and museum. Oh well, that's it. I don't really want to pay $10 to
No.
park and check it out. See Nevada time? 12, whatever, 20? 5? 23? Anybody else running across? Well.
Oh yeah, we done jumping time lapse, huh?
Yeah, we are.
So 12:25, so it's 1:25. Right?
Oh, still 12:25 because it's daylight savings time.
Oh.
Or it's not daylight savings time. I don't know. Standard time.
But
Because Arizona doesn't change their time. We change our time. So it's the same time. Right now it's the same time in Arizona.
oh,
But in the wintertime it's different.
they stay the same while we can.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, that's stupid. Why did we change?
Exactly. Do they want to cross or? Yeah, let them cross.
Fucking nuts. Oh, we just saw them.
Yeah, just saw them.
And the girl, yeah. Well, that's actually kind of cool. Yay. Well, isn't that fun, folks?